Hi guys, in this video, you're going to learn how to add a new user to your business manager account on LinkedIn. So we're going to add the link to this web page in the description section. So you click on sign in since you already have a LinkedIn account and also a business manager account. Okay. So let's allow it to load up. All right, here we go. So this is Popular E-commerce and Technology. Next, you're going to click on the people. That is the official place where you can add a new user to your business manager account on LinkedIn. All right. So next, we're going to invite a new user. So you click on the invite people at the top right corner. Then you input the person's email address. So after doing that, next is to select a business role. So you could go for admin, employee, or contractor. So we're going to go for admin for this. Then we'll click on invite. That's all. Okay, so you could also invite more people if you want. Okay, so you click on got it.